You've been a good woman and a ride or die all your life, and you ain't got nothing to show for it. Except a couple of babies, bad credit, and a low living standard, and you're exhausted. Here's how you're going to fix that, okay? You need to be able to put some money in your pocket, because money is power. Getting into these relationships and relying on other people to take care of you and not still have money coming into your pocket. You're going to need a side hustle, something that's going to generate income for you while you're doing all the things with your kids and with the house. Just stop thinking that you're going to get up and go to this 9 to 5 and then come home and have energy to do everything that you need to do. It doesn't work that way. If you need help with ideas for side hustles, there's an ebook in the link in my bio called 50 Side Hustles for Women Who Want to Work From Home. Stop handicapping yourself by giving away all your free labor, okay? You're going to have to put some money in your pocket and pay attention to your financial future. Here's how you're going to do that. Save this. Number one, you're going to find a side hustle that you can work from home. You're a mom. You cannot afford to be leaving the house every time you need to make some money. Number two, you're going to begin to outsource some of the things that you have to do in the house so that you can spend a little bit more time working on that business. Your initial income goal should include being able to afford a weekly or bi-weekly cleaning for yourself. Lastly, you're going to start to reinvest back into that business so that you can outsource some of the tasks in that business. That's going to be the way you're going to be able to win back your time. Now you got your freedom back, babe. Sprinkle, sprinkle.